if you've not done this kind of stuff before, but if you've been playing sports and riding cycles all your life, and you can do all these things like motorcycle, driving or jumping off, or fighting, and learned action, then there's nothing. So it's the same stuff that you do in other films, maybe a little more, 10-15 माले और. You can think कि एक बस आ रही है and is hitting cars, and they're blowing up, correct? और जब बजट आता है उसका, तो इससे यार ये बस ठीक है यार, बस तक ही रखो. वो गाड़ियाँ एक के बाद निकलती, इससे सिर्फ एक गाड़ी करते हैं यार, चलो. तो यहाँ पे जो 30 गाड़ियों को रखा था, वो 30 गाड़ी की, that kind of stuff. So blocking off streets, getting a bus from London to shoot in Poland, all that stuff. So it costs a lot of money. So the main hero of these action sequences is the heart and the jigra of the producer. Otherwise, you can make the same thing at this level, or the same action comes on to a smaller level, depending on the producer. No, there's some. Yeah. There was 3 or 4 action teams. 3 or 4 action teams have done this. There's Anil also has done it. Then there are two guys from.
Would you like to name them? Those guys from.
एक Germany से है. His name was Stefan, and यहाँ पर Anil who did the action. नहीं, वो लटकने वटकने की ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है कि you do the stunt, और फिर जो लॉन्ग शॉट के अंदर फिर से क्या करो यार, एक बार कर लिया. एक तो पहले खुद को देखने के लिए कि कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं कर सकता. तो एक बार जब देख लिया, नहीं छोड़ो यार, रहने दो, एंड देन यू फील के इट्स चीटिंग. तो अगर ये कर सकता है तो हम भी कर सकते हैं. तो एक बार ट्राई कर लिया, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू नीड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एंगल्स, डिफरेंट मैग्निफिकेशन. फिर वो डबल करते रहे, जब दिख ही नहीं रहा है, वो बिल्डिंग इतनी सी दिख रही है, तो एक्टर क्या देखेगा. सो दैट बी रिडिकुलस. और उस चक्कर के अंदर कहीं इंजरी हो गई. इंजरी का तो कोई चांस ही नहीं है 40 माले से. तो हाँ, तो अभी 5 माले के ऊपर तो क्या है, अभी एक बच गया ना यार, 13 माले से बचा है. From 13 stories, one guy just reading, he's jumped off and he's fallen on some mother and some child, and all 3 survived. Most of the films on this genre have had that buzz. I mean, from Wanted se thode se pehle, that buzz started coming in, and I don't think any of the films had even a film like Reddy had that buzz, But in a film, like an action film like this, always has like a Dabangg, like a Wanted, like all these films. They have that, and the younger films, where there's certain amount of masti, there's certain amount of comedy, there's certain amount of larger than life feel. They have that. See, Jai Ho ka is a serious film. Right. Now, whatever you do with a serious film, it becomes it's still a serious film. Inherent, that thing is of a serious film. So एक हम लोग को एक वो घुराना बहुत अच्छा लगा था, वो बच्चे उससे डर गए. So we make films for kids only, and thinking that they see all these digital games, and there's so much of blood and stuff like that, so we thought we're going to that genre. See, when you make a film, from your last film, the next film has got to be a lot larger. And in that lot larger, sometimes sometimes it's convincing, sometimes बोलते कि यार ज़्यादा हो गया. So what happens after Dabangg? He should take over the whole village, So you make a slightly realistic film, where the hero's a trained man, but he also gets hurt. He also falls, and he doesn't have the energy to get up, but somewhere it becomes a serious film, and when you see Jai Ho on television, It is the most amazing film because it's you watching it on television, seeing it at home, and it's beautiful that teen ka message and that whole family and everything. But the music of the film, which we thought was amazing, did not do well. So that makes a huge difference. Out here, we don't have that problem. And I guess that release also at that January time, you know, where January, the school start, and you know, December, a big film has just gone. You know, everyone is just, you know, come out from, you know, your New Year's and stuff like that. It takes at least a month to go back to the theaters and stuff like that. And then plus our ticket prices were 250 rupees. So that was where all the ticket prices are 450, 650, 950. Our ticket price, we kept it 250 Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and lower on the weekdays.
So because of this, you think...
which I think was a big mistake.
You think then...
which we did for our fans, and which we still stand by it, and we like the fact.
So you think January...
But saying all, it is a 126 crore ka flop, which is fine. I think they're really sweet. You know, this is the amazing thing. Everyone says they're really hot, and I find them really, really sweet. I think Jackie is a really sweet girl, so is Nargis. And Demure उनका ऐसा है कि such hot. और जब बात करो उनसे तो they're like a really sweet girl. In me, yes, there was a lot of nervousness. Any festive season is the best time to come out because you have those many holidays, and it can also accommodate more than one movie, you know, or a time where there is no film 2 weeks before, 2 weeks after. So that is the time, and because of Ramadan, no films actually released during that time. So Eid is a good date. Then there's Diwali because 8-9-10 दिन की छुट्टी होती है. फिर वो Christmas है जहाँ पर एक पूरा ही almost like towards the end of the year, almost the whole month, only whole 10-15 days are like a very chilled out 10-15 days. So these are the good days to release a movie. And then there's Independence Day, and it's coming on a Saturday. Then Saturday भी है, Friday है, Saturday, Sunday, Monday पे आता है, तो that's another 4 दिन की छुट्टी है. Same thing with Republic Day. So there all these national holidays and stuff like that, they make a huge difference to the collections because everyone's so busy nowadays doing their stuff that they don't get time. So only in holidays they can go and see a movie. I don't have, there's no pressure. I'm not in this number game at all. The film does well. The film doesn't do well, it obviously bothers because you've given your best and it's not got those numbers. But being in this number game would be one of the most tiring things ever. So we're not into this. Now it's getting difficult because, you know, when you start talking, you start saying dialogue, you say, "To bola hai pehle yaar. We've done so much of work, you know. Arey yaar, it was sounding like that film yaar. So now what naya to do?" That becomes a big task, and that is the reason why. That's where the producer and the directors and the rest of the actors come in. So in this film, Jackie has made a huge difference to my look, to my character, and there's Nawazuddin, okay, who's different casting. Then there's Randeep Hooda, who's a different casting. So you've not seen any of these people with me before. So I look different because of that. You know? I don't know. स्टोरी जाके पैसे खर्च करो, क्या कितना कमा रही हो आजकल? हाँ, थिएटर में जाके देखो. What is larger than life in cycling and walking? I do it all the time. I do it for a living. It's my kick. It's my rush. I do it all the time. In fact, I had not been doing this for a very long time. I just started. I was wondering how, and nobody's asked me this question. I told Saj, ऐसे ये devil angel का आ रहा है. हाँ, ये ऐसे नहीं कि ये तुमने बाहर big boss type का के बाहर big boss type का तुमने कुछ बना दिया. No. It's Devi Lal Singh is my name. So from Devi, and then Lal ka L becomes devil. क्या तुम सोनाक्षी सिन्हा को नहीं देखते? हाँ? कि स्नेहा उलाल, जरीन खान, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा, ये कोई तुर्किस्तान से आई थी? हाँ, ये रशियन थी, ये कहाँ से आई थी? हाँ,
But have you changed? Like you always like some
मैं तो
girls
सोचता हूँ मैं आपको कब लॉन्च करूँ. See, whatever I do, I like doing. It's my hobby. Okay, apart from this, right now, this I have to do it on compulsion. But I have to do it on compulsion.
But how come 3 songs?
But I'm trying
happen in
to
one
enjoy this as much as possible, as much as possible. Till the time I'm enjoying, I'm doing it. The day I feel that enjoyment, nahi, you see me in the third, fourth interviews. No, one-on-ones, I see the one-on-ones that I do give is I give it to people who would want to convey a side of me to the fans. There is no point giving a one-on-one to, they need that 30 seconds और 30 seconds के लिए मेरा 1 घंटा बर्बाद कर दिया. तो ऐसे वो 30 seconds में क्या चाहिए, मैं बोल देता हूँ यार. Don't waste my time. क्या चाहिए आप, क्या डालना चाह रही हैं आप? Tell me. क्या डालना चाह रहे हो भाई इसके ऊपर? अच्छा, किस टाइप का चाहिए आप? कैटेगरी लेवल बता दो मुझे, किस टाइप का चाहिए. It's become a joke, yeah. It's become a joke. I mean, this is not journalism anymore. This has become entertainment. And the people think that it is still journalism. It's not journalism. And they will come to this conclusion कि बकवास है. The problem is going to be is when you'll have to capture real stories. Those real stories will not be conveyed because everything is so bada chada ke that there will be no impact, and this is where the nation's character is falling. Why should I step in and give them more thing? Why should I came and stepped in? I said, जिसको यहाँ पे रहना है वो रहो, जिसको जाना है वो जाओ. I mean, what more stepping in can I do? They wanted me to step in. Why should I step in? That's not my job. It is between the royalty ke bodyguards and the press photographers who are going to handle the situation. I'm an star. I've come here. You told me कि हमको 150-250 रुपए पर तस्वीर मिलते हैं. I do my business. I come here. I stand there. You take pictures of me. आजकल तो digital आ गया है. तो उससे तो now there's no way that you can ban me. Okay? It's your choice to not to take pictures, and I would be happy if that whole fraternity says that no, we'll not take his pictures. I would be really happy. And stand वही होगा कि हमारे नुकसान है इसके अंदर. हम इसकी तस्वीरें नहीं छापेंगे. I will have hats off to those photographers. Or all those photographers should stop that one person that he's leading them, because that one person or the one or two people who when he meets us alone, he joins hands and he says के please रोजी रोटी का सवाल बाल बच्चे हैं, जरा कुछ तस्वीरें ले. And then in groups they become like this. That's fine. And they get aggressive. Why they get aggressive? Because they want to disturb that party. Now, Baba Siddiqui's event, they were climbing over everybody. Everybody, the press was all over, from the chief minister to all the ministers to everybody, municipal commissioner, everybody who was there, they were all over. Nobody could say anything because, kya bole? And they're getting carried away with that stuff. But that stuff doesn't work with me, dude, because I don't want it to go to that level. And जब वो bodyguard, अभी the problem is not me. They don't have a problem with me. The problem is within themselves. Superb it is. I absolutely love it. It's the most difficult. It is the most difficult film that I am doing in a very, very long time, because it's been 13 years since I worked with Suraj. I have changed so much. I'm not that pure person anymore. I've seen a lot more. But Suraj, Raj Babu, they're exactly the same. Suraj, that innocence, that niceness that Suraj had when he wrote Maine Pyar Kiya at the age of 17, he still has that. So it is very difficult for me to become that Prem once again. I am having all my films put together, and this film just to unlearn everything that I've learned so far. Till that time, I don't get that Prem, that I don't feel it here, it is not going to show my face. And it's actually once again, getting me back to what I used to be. I am doing a film with Mahesh Manjrekar right now. I'm doing No Entry. I'm doing a film with Karan Johar. I'm doing a film with Adi Chopra.
Will you ever do
And I'm doing a film. Which? One or two movies.
Karan Johar ke film.
Shuddhi.
Shuddhi, you're doing Shuddhi.
Yeah. Sir, who is the heroine, sir? Isn't Karan
I doubt it. I'm not.
Kareena is opposite you.
I'm doing a film with Karan, and that I guess is Shuddhi only. And then I'm doing a film with Adi Chopra. That's it. Then I'm doing a film with Kabir Khan, and I'm doing a film with Bonnie Kapoor, and I'm doing a film with Mahesh Manjrekar, from which two of these films that we are producing, and then one more film है जो याद नहीं आ रही. Not now, not yet. I am a guest appearance in that film. One scene. This is the first film that I have said, Ritesh, at least give me like another one scene in the film. I loved it. I was shooting for Jai Ho, and he was shooting for Lay Bhari there in Ramoji Rao. So the one night I went there, we finished the scene. I thought it was great fun. So how much I convinced myself, let me do another scene, ek aur scene de de mere ko. It was not fitting in. He said, you're mad, how can I not, you are good for other than me. But I loved doing that. जब तक फेम है, तब तक काम है. तब तक काम है, तब तक पैसे. तब तक पैसे है, तब तक being human है. I am going to make it so difficult for the rest of the actors. Eventually, होता ना कि एक mission क्या है? To take being human to a different level only altogether. That is my mission. And I'm struggling with it. I'm struggling really hard with it. I've never worked so much in my life that I'm working right now. And I don't talk about being human because वैसे ही इतना problem हमको that much of, and then the more exposure towards that, the more we're getting screwed. So we're trying to get in all our stuff correctly. The CSR, the businesses that we're going to start under being human. I want to take it to such a level that it would be difficult for actors to compete with the success of or the magnitude of a charitable trust. That is what. And if I want anyone to beat me, start every 3 years somebody come beat me. I want them to beat me at that.